Have you ever wondered how many Tesla shares are enough for you to get a significant amount of earnings in return? Many claim to have become rich by investing in Tesla stock. Stay tuned and keep watching to learn more about this. Although some still argue that Tesla stock is extremely overpriced, some say that the EV company's stocks are worth every penny. In fact, some argue that given the capabilities and potential of the company, its stock is actually underpriced. In today's video, you will find out why you should own at least 10 Tesla stocks after the split. Dubbed as the leading electric vehicle maker, Tesla has been working hard to make it a name known across the globe, and not just in the automotive industry too. Tesla is planning to spread its wings in the artificial intelligence industry with autonomous driving and humanoid robot projects in motion. An investment in Tesla in 2010, when the initial public offering's price per share was just $17, would have paid off by now. Nearly a decade later, a $1,000 investment in Tesla made in 2010 would be worth more than $36,000 as of February 4, 2020, according to CNBC calculations. By comparison, a $1,000 investment in the S&P 500 would have earned a total return of just over 281% over the same period. A $1,000 investment in Tesla in November 2011 would be worth over $204,000 now, with the stock's price increasing from $5.74 to $1,229 over the years. That's more than a 20,000% return. A similar investment in the S&P 500 would have given you a 357.4% return. Although that is not to say that the S&P is a worse investment. A $1,000 investment made in March 2012 would be worth $148,755.87, or a gain of 14,775.59% as of March 25, 2022. And this return excludes dividends but includes price increases. The S&P 500 rose 223.54%, and the price of gold increased 13.37% over the same time frame in comparison. Looking ahead, analysts are expecting more upside for Tesla. Go back a few more years and your return would have been even greater. On November 2, 2016, Tesla was trading at around $38 per share, so a $1,000 investment then would have grown 3,025% and be worth around $31,286 in 2021 alone. Over the same period, the S&P 500 index would have given you a 142.4% return. Over those 10 years, Tesla went from selling just the Roadster to offering models S, 3, X, and Y. It has also announced the Cybertruck and Tesla Semi, but has remained non-committal about launch dates for both vehicles. A significant year-on-year return has almost become a thing of normalcy for Tesla shareholders. For example, if you purchased 10 Tesla stocks at their peak price in June 2021, you'd have paid $6,940 in June 2022. Your 10 stocks will be worth approximately $7,500, which equates to $540 in just a single year. This is a notable stock performance amidst several predictions that Tesla stock will continue to bottom. This may be largely attributed to Musk's unique style of leadership and how the EV company is ahead of everybody else in research and development, as well as innovation. In October of last year, the shares of Tesla are up more than 50%, and the company's market cap has grown to more than $1.2 trillion, despite some recent hiccups, including a flawed rollout of its driver assistance software and confusion over whether Hertz inked a deal with the electric automaker to purchase 100,000 vehicles. A $1,000 investment in November 2020 would be worth around $2,940 only after a year, representing a return of 193% according to CNBC calculations. So if you had invested in Tesla in the said year, when the stock was worth just over $400 a share, you would have nearly tripled your money. A lot of innovative projects that Tesla is currently working on are much anticipated, and it seems that said projects will boost the company's income and revenue, which will positively affect the stocks. Tesla's FSD, Cybertruck, AI robot named Optimus, and Starlink project are just some of the projects Tesla is working hard on today before presenting them to the general public. Once Tesla has been successful in introducing AI projects, AI will definitely be a huge part of the world with Tesla on the leading front, just like they did with EVs. If this indeed happens in the near future, the company's stock price is sure to witness a significant increase. Before, Tesla stock was worth less than $100 until it doubled, tripled, tripled and multiplied tenfold when the market exploded. If the same is to happen again with the introduction of AI, Tesla stock investors holding 10 or more shares may well possibly see their investments double in just a couple of years. Would you be interested to own Tesla shares today? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. A piece of great news for Tesla investors is that Tesla shares will appreciate in value over time if the business remains strong, so your money won't run out for a long time. Investing in Tesla stock is probably the smartest idea at the moment for investors who want to stop working by 2030. Tesla shares have compounded at an impressive 61% CAGR over the last 10 years, which far exceeds the 11% CAGR of the NASDAQ or S&P 500. Assuming that Tesla marches toward its ambitious goal of producing 20 million EVs by 2030 and continues growing at a CAGR of 60% annually, Tesla stock could trade near $30,000 by 2030, with an astounding $30 trillion market cap. If Tesla stock indeed trades for $30,000 per share, then you need at least 33 shares to become a millionaire by 2030. Some said that Tesla is pretty much everyone's retirement account these days. If you don't have a Tesla stock yet, this might be the best time to own one or 10. If you have made up your mind and decided to buy Tesla shares, this is how you should get around to doing it according to Forbes Advisor. First, open a brokerage account. It is the key to buying and selling securities like stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. A brokerage is more than just a ticket to ride Tesla to the moon, though. It also has all the research and education needed to be a successful investor, as well as different types of investment accounts designed for particular goals. For more flexibility with the investment account, save for a Tesla you wish to own in the future, for example, you probably want a taxable brokerage account. These let you invest for any purpose or time frame, though you'll have to pay taxes each time you sell an investment for a gain or receive dividend income. All brokerages are not created equal, so you'll want to be able to compare the fees, available investments, and services offered by at least a few to determine which is right for you. Second, decide how much to invest. Consider these questions to decide. What's your budget? What's Tesla's current price? What's your investing strategy? What about other investments? If investing already, make sure you think about how Tesla fits in your portfolio. Third, review Tesla's performance and potential. Before buying Tesla stock, or any stock for that matter, it is wise to do some research into the company's financials, performance, and future outlook. The easiest place to get started is through a company's annual reports, Form 10-K, and quarterly reports, Form 10-Q. Public companies like Tesla are required to publicize detailed information about their financial health in these. You may also turn to experts for their input. Fourth, decide your order type and place it. After deciding how much you want to invest in Tesla, you can buy your first shares. You'll need to log into your brokerage account and enter Tesla's ticker symbol, TSLA, and the number of shares you want to buy or the dollar amount you want to invest. You can use a simple market order to buy shares at their current price, or you can try a more sophisticated order type like limit or stop to purchase Tesla only if its price falls below a certain threshold. Fifth, keep currency fees in mind. When buying stock in an American company like Tesla from Canada, you will have to pay a currency conversion fee to convert your Canadian dollars to US dollars. To avoid these fees, you can keep money reserved for purchasing American stocks in a US dollar bank account. Lastly, evaluate your investment. In investing in Tesla or other securities, it's a good idea to periodically check in on their performance. It is probably easiest to start with the annualized % return. You can also revisit Tesla's financial information to make sure it is still moving in a positive direction. Outside of comparing Tesla's performance to that of other stocks, you may also want to measure it against industry benchmarks, like the S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite Index, which will tell you how Tesla is performing compared to the market overall. For more Tesla stock content, visit our channel and watch our other videos.